We are going to learn the 29th structure. The structure is I have plus V3. I have plus V3. Actually, this structure is called present perfect. Let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to describe actions or events that happened in the past but have a connection or relevance to the present. So actually, the actions which happened in the past, even though the actions happened in the past, its relevance means its result shows to the present. So let's see some examples in this structure. I have seen that movie before. I have seen that movie before. I have read that book. I have already read that book. I have eaten breakfast. Just now. I have finished my work. I have finished my work this week. I have spoken with my boss. I have spoken with my boss. I have learned a new skill. I have learned a new skill. I have written a letter to my friend. I have written a letter to my friend. I have visited that city. I have visited that city this month. Next one. I have listened to that podcast. I have listened to that podcast. I have traveled to Europe. I have traveled to Europe. Thank you, friends. Thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos and grammar videos, spoken English videos. Thank you.